Home computers. Let's get started. Number 1.
The Data Point 2200 is the first computer I'll be talking about today. It was released in 1970. This was a heavy computer, weighing in at 47 pounds. The OS was stored on a cassette or a storage drum. This computer had a small screen that showed text in green and black colors. The best part about this computer was that it had a programmable beeper integrated into the keyboard. Number 2. The Altair 8800 is the next computer I'll be talking about. It was released in 1975. The Altair 8800 was sold as a kit, but you could buy one separately. For only $437, you could own the Altair 8800. In 1975, there was no store you could go to purchase the Altair 8800. You would have to go and look up the plans that were in magazines published at the time. Keyboards and monitors were not cheaply available at this time. You'd have to flip the switches on the front of the system and watch the LED to see what you have done.
Number 3.
The next computer in this lineup is the Apple I. It was released in 1976. Only about 200 Apple I's were sold. The computer sold for $666.66. The Apple I had a cassette-based storage system. The computer output a picture in the monochrome color pattern.
Number 4.
The next computer in this list is the IBM 5120. It was released in 1980. The price for this computer with the printer was $9,340. The computer weighed 105 pounds. This computer used 2 dual 8-inch floppy drives for storage.
Number 5.
The next computer in this list is the Commodore 64. It was released in 1982. The price for this computer was $595. 17 million of them were sold. The Commodore 64 became popular because it had a programmable sound card in the computer. It only cost the company $25 to make, which made the consumer price drop down to $200.
Number 6.
The next computer in this list is the Apple IIc. It was released in 1984. The price for this computer was $1,300. This computer only weighed 7.5 pounds. The C in the name of this computer stands for compact. They sold 400,000 units in the first year.
Number 7.
The next computer is the Commodore Amiga 4000. It was released in 1992. The price for this computer was $3,699. The storage for this computer was a 3.5-inch floppy drive. To correct the slow hardware of this computer, there were a bunch of upgrades from third-party manufacturers.
Number 8.
The next computer is the Macintosh 20th Anniversary Edition. It was released in 1997. The price for this computer was $7,499. They had a limited production run of 11,000 units. This computer had a 2 GB hard drive.
Number 9.
The next computer in this list is the iMac DV. This computer was released in 2000. This computer was an all-in-one case design with a 50-inch CRT display. The original price was $1,499. This computer had a standard 30 GB hard drive.
Number 10.
The next computer is the iMac G5. This computer was released in 2005. This computer weighed 18.5 pounds. The original price was $1,899.
Number 11.
The next computer in this list is the Acer 23-inch desktop PC.
This computer was released in 2010.
The original price for this computer was $999. This computer had a similar design to the 2010 iMac. This computer had stereo speakers included into the computer.
Number 12.
The next computer is the Mac Mini. This computer was released in 2013. The price for this computer starts at $600. This computer is only 7.7 inches all the way around.
Number 13.
The next computer is the Vizio 27-inch all-in-one touch PC. This computer was released in 2013. The price for this computer was $1,550. This computer had a 27-inch touchscreen display. This computer also comes with an external subwoofer.
Number 14. The iMac of the future could be released in 2016 through 2018. It might have a translucent display, be super thin, have eye tracking rather than using a mouse. We could also have iMacs in a touchscreen. Number 15. The flexible computer could be released in 2025. This computer could be anywhere it wanted to be. On your wrist, car, tabletop, The possibilities are endless. Number 16. The smartphone is the main computer of the future. The smartphone could actually replace the home computers that we actually have today. Just think, what do you do in your home computer that you can't do with little struggle on your smartphone? 1. Talk to people, whether that be in message form, call, or on a social network of some kind. 2. Watch videos on your smartphone, YouTube, movies, TV shows. 3. Play games on your smartphone. 4. Surf the web, with mobile web browsers getting faster and faster. This will just get easier and easier. Just think about it. We use our smartphone for just about all the things our computers can do. Just wait until that day when you won't need your home computer anymore. You'll just use the one that is in your pocket. The social need for a computer is so that we can interact with one another. The way that home computers have evolved to meet this need by understanding how we want to interact with other people in the world. As people's way of interacting with each other has changed, so has the computer. They have become faster, thinner, and smaller. The computers have made social interaction a thing that was once hard to do with people that did not live close to you, a thing of the past. You'll be able to talk to them, get to know them, understand them. This is how the computer meets its social need.